Hello and welcome to my channel Zucker Cooks. I'm Adela. Today, under the theme of recipes from around the world, we're going to the Dominican Republic. That's right. Alright, and here we have the ingredients. We have some salt and pepper, some adobo, some oregano, brown sugar, some water, tomato sauce, olive oil, some onions, peppers, sofrito, and this one's homemade, and some cilantro. And here we have the star of the recipe, chicken thighs. Now I have it boneless, skinless, and these are just thighs. You can use thighs and drumsticks if you wish. And today I'm just going for thighs. And yeah, these are the ingredients. The exact quantities will, as always, will be in the description box. So let's get this Dominican stewed chicken started. First step, we're going to season the chicken with adobo, sofrito, oregano, sazón, ground pepper, and the lime. I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to set it aside. So first step, we're going to heat up in a medium skillet over medium-high, and we're going to warm up a little bit the oil. Then we're going to add the brown sugar, and once the brown sugar is melting, we add the chicken and we saute it on both sides until it gets a light brown color. And then we're going to add the water. We're going to cover it and we're going to let it simmer for a few minutes. So I let it simmer for 15 minutes, and now I'm going to add the onions, the sliced peppers, and I'm gonna cover it again and let it cook until the peppers are soft, and then we'll go from there. So it's been simmering for a few minutes. The peppers look like they're ready. So at this point, we're going to add the tomato sauce. We're going to mix it well, add some water, and we're going to let it simmer on the light simmer for a few minutes, just until the tomato sauce thickens. But if it gets too thick, we just add a little more water at a time, and that should be it. All right, so after about 5-7 minutes, the sauce has thickened and our chicken is done. And here we have the Dominican stewed chicken. You like the recipe? Give it a try. It's really delicious. And like I said, recipes from around the world, and this one's from the Dominican Republic. Very tasty. Give it a try. Thank you for watching. I hope you give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.